We have here world-renowned volcanologist Ashley Davies, who's going to tell the camera what we're looking at.
Well, here we are looking at basalt, liquid basalt flowing into the sea. It's come up from a magma chamber somewhere possibly 4 kilometers beneath Kilauea. It's worked its way up into a magma storage area that's in part of the east rift of Kilauea, reaching the surface at the Pu'u'o vent, moving down through a long 7 to 11 kilometer long magma tube system right down here to the coast where it's flowing into the Pacific, creating the newest real estate on the planet.
Woohoo! Thank you very much, Mr. Dr. Davies.
Well, you're welcome, Thomas.